Look how much salt is on my car. So winter is really shitty thing for cars. Hello to everyone. So I get those LED bulbs for my backplate lights. I think this is the right one. I checked on YouTube when I was in store, and I think this is the right connection. Okay, so I have more bulbs for my Scirocco. This is actually interior kit. So those two are for the left and the right mirror on sun wind, and those two are for the middle section. So let's go to install them.
As you can see, that's really easy to replace. Just pop up this light and change the bulb.
Ti si vidiš dobro?
Let's test it.
Yay!
Now let's do the same thing on the other side.
Testiramo.
And as you can see, it's working. Now I need to change this interior bulb. This set of tools for removing plastic really saved my life. That is a really good investment. $1.
Okay. As you can see, here is bulb. Take it out, just lift it.
I almost get killed here.
Okay. Here's the old bulb. And here is the new one, LED. I will bend those metals a little bit so we can catch it better. Here's my keys. Okay. So probably I change plus and minus. Let's see now. So as you can see, it's work.
And as you can see, everything is working.
Side back. Okay, now we need to change those one.
So this is a little bit harder part to remove, but it will work.
Okay, first we need to remove this part. Okay, and now I need to unscrew those two bolts. So let me go to find screwdriver or something like that. So I have this star attachment, and let's hope it will work. Too big. I think it's too big. Let me try. Yeah, it's too big, so I need smaller one. And I think that will be hard to find. Okay, I think I find it.
After I find the right screw head,
That's it.
everything is easy.
Okay, let's put those tools and that here. And as you can see, this is how those things looks. And now we need to remove bulbs and install new one. Okay, we have one out finally. So now I just need to unplug this bulb, and let's hope that my bulbs will pass on this. So as you can see, this is how it looks. And where is my package? No bulbs. Yeah, here it is. I'm really hoping this thing will work. Shit. No, up. It's working, it's working. It's working, it's working. Okay. And moment of truth. Yay! This one. Okay. One more test. Working. Great. Now put these things back.
Now let's go on back of my car.
Okay, and I have one light here, as you can see, and I will install here one white bulb.
This was really hard to remove, but I find a way. So I get really deep in this and I look definitely like child with toys.
As you can see, it's white now. And this one.
Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Till next time, see you.